Many people ask, what exercises can help a skinny body become healthier and more muscular? The truth is, simply eating more food won't make your body grow in a healthy way. Regular exercise combined with proper nutrition is essential. If your goal is to gain weight in a healthy way, exercises like push-ups, squats, lunges, pull-ups, and strength training with dumbbells or weights are among the most effective. These exercises help build muscle, making your body gradually look fuller, stronger, and more fit. However, exercise alone is not enough. You also need to eat enough protein-rich foods such as eggs, fish, chicken, milk, beans, and nuts. Healthy carbohydrates like rice, potatoes, and oats are also important. In addition, getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night plays a key role in muscle growth and recovery. Remember, your body won't change in just a few days or a single week. With consistent exercise, a balanced diet, and patience, you can start seeing noticeable improvements over the next few months. Your goal shouldn't be simply to get fat. Instead, focus on building healthy muscle and creating a stronger, healthier body.